All right, welcome to question number 8. But before we look at the question number 8, I just want to tell you that you can book an online coaching classes with me using this form as added to the description below. Please kindly subscribe, like, comment, and share this video. So quickly, let's look through number 8. Has to do with electromagnetic wave. Now, question number 8 show figure 8.1 show the images produced during two different medical scanning procedures. So you have this one that is produced by using ultrasound scan of the fetus, while this one show an X-ray scan of the hand. Now, to start with, define the term ultrasound. What's an ultrasound? Ultra means the sound that is beyond the human hearing. So that is called ultrasound. The human ear can hear sound between 20 hertz to 20 kilohertz. So that is normal sound range that human ear can detect. But any sound range, so a sound with frequency beyond 220 kilohertz is referred to as ultrasound. A sound with frequency higher than 20 kilohertz is called ultrasound. Very good. Take how the speed of sound in liquid compared to the speed of sound in air. So speed of sound in liquid, for example, like okay, let me just okay, the speed of sound in liquid is higher than speed in air. Let me give an example. For example, in water, this is a common liquid. The speed of sound is in the range of 1,500 meters per second. While in air, the speed of sound is in the range of 340 meters per second. You can see the different range. Then, okay, I will plug it. So we'll look at X-ray are part of the electromagnetic spectrum. State the speed of X-ray in a vacuum. X-ray is part of electromagnetic spectrum, and all electromagnetic radiation travel with the speed of light. So X-ray travel with the speed of 300 million meters per second. So which is written as 3 times 10 raised to power 8 meters per second. So that is the speed of X-ray in vacuum. Now, describe 3 similarities or differences between the uses of ultrasound and X-ray in medical scanning procedure. So we can look at, so let's look at the similarities first, then later we can now look at the differences. Okay, now both ultrasound and X-ray can show internal part of the body without the need of cutting the body. So both, this similarity now, both ultrasound and X-ray shows shows internal parts of the body. All right. Now, both of them both of them can travel through the body, can travel through some part of the body. Then secondly, we have also both both ultrasound and X-ray can be both ultrasound and X-ray can take image, can form image or take image of parts of the body. Now, so let me say, now the question say, describe three similarity or differences. So if you are writing differences, you write three differences. And if you are writing similarity, you write three similarity. But now I've given you similarity between ultrasound and X-ray. Now, let me just give you the differences now. So if you want the differences, what is the difference between X-ray and ultrasound. Now, X-ray travels straight through the body, while ultrasound show reflection of sound by boundary between soft tissues of the body. Now, X-ray is absorbed by bones of the body, while X-ray can penetrate the muscles, but is absorbed by the bone. But ultrasound can only be reflected. So based on the mode of the picture, so X-ray form images by traveling through the tissues of the body, while ultrasound form images by reflection by the tissues of the body along the boundary between differences between the tissues. Okay, then X-ray detectors show images of ray that travel through the body, while ultrasound show images that are reflected back from the body. Now, and the third difference is that X-ray, excessive exposure to the dosage of X-ray is harmful to the body, but ultrasound is not as harmful to the body. And that is why, because it is relatively safe, that's why it can be used for scanning developing baby in the womb of their mother, like in the example that is given in this question. So this is the end of question 8. So next we go to question 9.